That I'm out here.
Yeah, and that's it.
I'm out here being a.
That's all we're saying.
And she mad that none of her in her
I'm
ass
not
with
mad.
it.
These are not my.
So what are you arguing with for?
Be quiet! Be quiet! Be quiet! Be quiet! Be quiet!
Can you take me home?
I'm not taking you home. Step over there.
That's fine. I'm tired of the bullshit.
Hey, come over here because I'm talking to you.
Come here, please.
What? Don't grab my hand. What's going on?
I came from Myers. I come here.
Back up a little bit. I don't know if you're intoxicated or whatever.
I am intoxicated from 12 o'clock.
Okay.
You see the guy with the white shirt with the fat, heavy set? I was dancing on him out of
And
nowhere.
that's what, her boyfriend?
I don't know him. I met him at Myers at downtown.
Okay.
The girl with the dress, she pulls me with my hand. Oh, come here, let's talk. In front of the security at Myers. Oh,
So you guys
I heard-
been going on since Myers.
I've never met her till today.
Okay.
The
But I'm
guy
saying
in
that
the white
this
shirt.
happened at Myers. Like, this has been going on since Myers.
Yeah, but
Followed you here.
I didn't know that. I'm chilling. I came to Latinos. I'm chilling. I got my drink. She's harassing me at the fucking bar. I'm alone. I'm not with no homegirls. I'm not with nobody. I'm
So you've been
alone.
out by yourself the entire
Yeah, I'm chilling. 'Cause I live right there on Summer and military.
So what do you need from us, though? Like, that's what I want to know.
Nothing. I don't need nothing.
I've already told you, back up. You keep getting up in my personal space, and I don't like that. Stop doing
Okay.
that. What do you need from me?
Nothing.
So you're gonna go back inside? What are
I'm
you
gonna
do?
go back home. I'm chilling inside, minding my own fucking business. I came out here because I was told you guys were gonna come out here. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna tell the cops what the fuck is going on because I'm minding my own fucking business. I'm
I
not
get it.
bothering her.
I get it.
She's in the corner by the door. I'm all the way by the bar. Why is she throwing bottles at me? Throwing shit at me from across the dance floor.
So you're not with anybody, you're just here by yourself.
By myself. You can ask anybody. I
Who are
pulled
these
up.
two guys to you?
I don't know who the fuck they are. Those are her people. You hear her, this bitch. She don't even know my name.
Well,
I'm minding my business.
I get that. Hold on, let me.
She don't even know my name.
Hold on. This-
Coin collectors, why you should use Whatnot for sourcing new finds. I was looking through some live auctions on Whatnot for coins. Everything is on there. New mint, rare coins, collectible coins, ancient ones, bullion, really everything. And the sellers are super knowledgeable and were able to answer all the questions that I had about the coins. Since then, I've ramped up my collection and have become obsessed with it. Whatnot has single-handedly
She has stuff in the car?
No, she does not.
Yes, my purse. Pussy bag.
Don't grab me. I'm serious.
sorry.
Don't fucking grab me.
I'm sorry. My ID is in there. And in the back,
There's
inside
no
her
big
bag,
juicy bag in there.
yes.
Where?
She had it. What's
Where's the
inside?
pink juicy bag?
And in the back of her purse, inside a black and white bag.
Do you have? Could you open the trunk for just a second so we can just see if she has this in there or not?
Crap, bro, my fucking
I really don't want to.
my clothes and my
I don't
phone that
care,
was in
dog.
there.
I don't care.
Well, my stuff is in there.
I don't believe you. I gave you your shit, and I gave it to you in the club.
What was
Why-
the last thing I told you? Stop
It
fucking
was
touching me.
it was an
Stop
iPhone.
touching me.
She
It
don't
was
get
an
it. She's a
iPhone.
stupid bitch.
It was an iPhone 16 Vortex. It's
I
in
don't.
there. It's in the
I
back
gave it
seat.
to you, and I walked in
Are
the
you sure it's
club.
not
No,
inside?
it's
I
inside
walked
of
in the
an
club
iPhone
and gave her her
16.
purse.
It's
Are you sure
black.
it's not inside right
The
now?
pink bag is inside, but the rest of my stuff is in the
So the pink bag is inside.
I spent the